package is here. I've been waiting for this package forever. It's so worth it though. Between me and the creators' schedules, we both have been super busy, but I finally got it. Story time. I was working Gemini Gatehouse and this wonderful, beautiful, amazing lady walked by and she had a Millennium Force hoodie that had sparkles everywhere. I remember asking her, where did you get that? And please do not say Cedar Point, because if Cedar Point started selling stuff like that, I'm gonna be broke. So she came back a few hours later and gave me this lady's card for Etsy. I'll post everything in the description so that you can go to her Etsy store and get something awesome as well. So I'm gonna show you guys. I haven't seen it yet first. I'm just opening it up. I'm gonna show you guys. We're gonna see this together. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. Okay. I originally wanted a zip-up hoodie, but the zip-up hoodie I wanted was it had the zipper with the rhinestones in it. They were no longer making those, so that's okay. Oh my goodness. And if y'all know, George is my favorite train engine at Cedar Point. George is my baby. Look at that sparkle. Oh my gosh, and my name is on it. I'm so happy. This looks so good. I am totally going to be ordering more things. Next on the list is probably going to be something Pink Floyd, because my mom loves Pink Floyd and I would love for her to have a Pink Floyd hoodie as well. So I've got so many things that I want to order from her though. So again, all the things will be in the description. Oh my god, I can't get enough of this. I'm totally wearing this. Okay, so thanks for coming along with me for this unwrap. Just look at that sparkle.